Also, there was this other question. Someone asked that why do space vehicles, space shuttles, why don't they leave the Earth vertically upwards? Why at the end of the day do they run horizontally? Now, one of the reasons is this one. Let me give you the reasons why. The Earth, we know, is spherical. Those of you who are doubting that the Earth is not spherical, if you climb on a hill in a mountain, you're on a lake, why does the ship disappear? You are on an ocean, why does the ship disappear? It does not disappear because you can't see it anymore. It disappears because the horizon is curved. So it goes on curving because of the shape of the sphere of the Earth. So it will not disappear at one point. You see as if it's a hill and as if it's going down. Now, when the rocket is being shot in space, it can first go up, then later on it bends, and then it starts moving, circling the Earth. But as it circles the Earth, it goes on increasing the orbit diameter. Increasing the orbit what? Diameter. The reason is we prevent it from going directly into the atmosphere. When it goes directly into the atmosphere, we shall have tendencies of frictional force as a result of the air molecules in the atmosphere. And we know very well that even when they are coming back, we also have that challenge. If no precautions are taken, the satellite or the rocket may easily burn because of friction. So in that sense, we are trying to overcome friction due to the air molecules in the atmosphere. So there the satellite cannot burn as it's flying into space. So recently, when Elon Musk lost his space shuttle, his space vehicle he had sent, it was on a test to see whether it can make the complete revolution around the Earth. If it could make it successfully, then he was ready to launch it to the moon, because they were trying to launch it to go to space. Of course, as it goes to space, it will reach maybe ISIS, the International Space Station, and the like. So he had to first do a test. But the test was a failure, and then it crashed in space. People saw the different strips of colors falling through, and this is because as the different parts exploded, they had to fall through the atmosphere. And as they were falling, they caught fire because of frictional resistance. Someone one time asked me, but don't they come back and hit us? There's a way that the atmosphere was designed. It was designed as a protective shield for us. That's why if rocks are coming from space, asteroids, stray rockets which are not controlled, stray satellites, they might not be able to reach us because they will end up being burnt. Because for them, they try to come directly onto the Earth, try to penetrate straight through the atmosphere. Hence, because of the reason I've told you that the heating coming from frictional force can easily light them up, they end up being lit and they burn off. Then there was also another concern. Let me check on the questions here people sent again, which I want to show.